My name is Jamie Shutler. I'm an oceanographer at the University of Exeter, and my research focuses on two aspects of water quality. So first of all, we look at it in terms of climate, how much carbon dioxide the oceans actually take up each year, but also in terms of food security and drinking water. So here today we're actually at Argyll Reservoir, which is a large drinking water reservoir for the Falmouth area. And we use satellites, models and in situ observations, and we pull all those together to actually understand what's actually going on in the water. And the fact that the satellite itself is 600 kilometres away from the water is quite a feat, really. So satellites observe different parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. And depending on the part of the spectrum you're actually interested in, it can tell you different parts or different things about the water itself. So visible wavelengths, and the same wavelengths that we actually see light, it can tell you about the biology and what's living within the water. If you look at the thermal infrared, that can tell you about the temperature of the water. And then if you move into the microwave and the radar frequencies, and that can start to tell you a bit more about the sea state and what's going on in the atmosphere, whether there's clouds or whether there's any rain.
I did Jamie's Atmosphere and Oceans module in second year, and he was talking about how you can monitor like sun reflectance on the ocean, and it was really cool to kind of see his involvement with it, but it all linked back to what we were learning about.
I've always been really excited by and really kind of energised by water. I've kayaked a lot throughout my university degree. Now I live in Cornwall, I surf as much as I can.
I picked this campus because I loved the location and what being in Cornwall meant for sports. I love surfing, and some of the societies here looked really, really cool.
Penryn's just really special. Everyone is really unique and excited, and yeah, everyone's really friendly. There's always people that want to go out and do things and explore, which is great.
The University of Exeter is a great place for me to work and do my research, but also teach. It's a world-leading research university, but also here in Penryn we're in an excellent place for actually doing research and actually doing field work.
It means that we have so many places to go out and study and do field work, and sometimes we'll turn up and we'll just be going out to do rock pooling. Which is really cool.
All of my teaching is actually research-led, so I bring in examples of current research that my group are carrying out or that is being done internationally.
Everything we do is new and innovative and interesting. There's never a moment where we're learning something and I'm like, oh, this is boring. They're always saying, oh, they've recently launched this new satellite and it does this, this and this, and it's incredible. Or I used to work for NASA and I helped launch this, and you're just like, wow, it's amazing.
So if you want to study the marine environment, understand how healthy it is and the animals that live in it, then come to the University of Exeter.